Digital microscopes are a great way to gain a better view of extremely small objects. These microscopes are often used for working on circuit boards and other electronics, and they're great for making soldering and repairs quick and easy. However, not all digital microscopes are created equally, and that's where our guide to the top 5 best digital microscopes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Elikliv microscope offers exceptional value. Sporting a 4.3-inch LCD with 720p HD digital imaging, it presents real-time crisp images and quality videos with 8 LED fill lights for optimal visibility. Its 50 to 1000 times magnification range enables detailed observations, supported by Microscope PC View for Windows users. With 8 adjustable LED lights, brightness can be tailored for clear imaging in various environments. Ideal for diverse applications such as circuit board inspection, jewelry examination, and educational purposes, its versatility extends to professional use in medical and scientific fields. The height-adjustable stand enhances flexibility, accommodating varied object distances for optimal magnification. Powered by a rechargeable battery offering 2.5 hours of working time, this microscope is both portable and convenient. Priced at $43, it represents an affordable yet comprehensive solution for enthusiasts, professionals, educators, and curious minds alike. Presenting the PalliPartners Digital Microscope, a versatile tool offering exceptional clarity and convenience for both professional and amateur use. With its 4.3-inch LCD screen and 1000 times magnification capability, this microscope provides detailed views of various specimens with 1080p or 720p resolution. The device features easy focusing, facilitated by a convenient focusing wheel, ensuring precise examination of fine details. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery, it offers up to 4 to 5 hours of portable usage, making it ideal for outdoor observations. The microscope's 50 to 1000 times digital magnification, coupled with a 2.0 megapixel camera, allows users to capture clear images and videos. Additionally, the included 32 GB micro SD card ensures ample storage for recorded data. 8 adjustable LED lights ensure optimal brightness for enhanced clarity during observation. The product includes a metal bracket for stable positioning, and customer support is available 24/7 for any inquiries or assistance. Priced affordably at $57. Discover the TOMLOV DM51 Pro, a revolutionary digital microscope designed to elevate your microscopic exploration experience. Boasting a larger 10.1-inch angle-adjustable LCD screen, this device offers a 31% increase in viewing area compared to standard 7-inch microscopes. Whether you're delving into electronics repair, examining collections, or observing coins, the TOMLOV DM51 ensures efficiency and precision. Enhanced with a taller 10-inch stand pillar, this upgraded model provides a max distance between the lens and base of up to 6.3 inches, allowing for seamless examination of entire coins without the need for additional extensions. Its compatibility with any size HDMI monitor or computer screen simplifies viewing, whether in a laboratory, classroom, or at home. With a remarkable 3 to 1300 times zoom range and superior HD camera quality, the TOMLOV DM51 delivers unparalleled clarity and detail in your observations. Smart touch control LED lights enable easy adjustments, while setup is a breeze, requiring only 3 simple steps. Priced at $249. Introducing the Dcorn HDMI digital microscope, ranked as the #2 best digital microscope, priced at $123. This innovative device boasts several upgrades for enhanced functionality and user experience. Firstly, its upgraded design allows for seamless viewing of entire coins without the need for additional extensions, perfect for coin collectors. With a 16-megapixel camera sensor, the Dcorn microscope delivers clearer and more detailed images compared to its competitors. offering magnification ranging from 10 to 1500 times. For versatile usage, it features an HDMI output for connection to TVs or monitors, ideal for presentations or educational purposes. Additionally, a convenient remote control ensures stable image capture without causing shaking or blurring. The inclusion of IPS screen technology ensures premium color performance from any angle. Equipped with 8 LED lights and 2 adjustable gooseneck lights, it ensures precise illumination and shadow elimination, even in low light conditions. Say hello to the TOMLOV DM51 Pro, hailed as the premier choice among digital microscopes, offering a revolutionary observation experience. Its innovative 3-axis rotation and 360-degree flexible arm designs afford unparalleled adjustability, providing optimal viewing angles for tasks like soldering or coin examination. With a groundbreaking full-glass covered HD 10.1-inch IPS screen boasting superior brightness, color accuracy, and sharpness, every detail is rendered with remarkable clarity. Equipped with a Sony IMX sensor, this microscope ensures impeccable image accuracy, ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. The inclusion of a polarizer in the lens design minimizes reflections, facilitating clear observation of reflective objects such as coins or electronic components. Moreover, its upgraded 2K UHD video and 48 megapixels imaging capabilities deliver stunning visuals, elevating your exploration of the micro world. Completing the package is an 18-inch heat-resistant soldering mat, providing both protection and organization during repair work, priced at $279 US. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.